Welcome to this epic deep dive into one of the most iconic and underrated recreational vehicles in American history, the Chevrolet Motorhome. In this segment, we're going to explore the heart and bones of this incredible machine, what it is, what it was built for, and why it's still beloved by so many people decades after its heyday. The Chevrolet Motorhome isn't just a travel van, it's a mobile house built atop a rugged, tried and true chassis. Most of these RVs are built on the Chevrolet G30 or P30 platforms, depending on the model year and coach builder. These underpinnings are based on heavy-duty commercial vans and trucks, providing the motorhome with a level of structural durability and mechanical reliability that modern ultralight RVs can't match. What makes this platform exceptional is the combination of a rear-wheel drive layout, a strong ladder frame, and leaf-sprung solid rear axles capable of handling high-weight loads over long distances. Under the hood, many Chevrolet motorhomes come with legendary V8 powertrains, most famously the 454cc big block, which delivers a thundering torque curve perfect for pulling up hills or towing a car behind. The fuel consumption isn't exactly gentle on the wallet, but owners will tell you that the dependability and muscle are worth every gallon. Throughout the years, these motorhomes have been available in lengths ranging from 20 feet to over 30 feet, with various coach builders like Winnebago, Georgie Boy, Coachman, and others modifying the shell and layout on top of Chevy's base. The exterior features the classic flat-nosed design, a wide panoramic windshield, massive side mirrors, roof-mounted AC units, and in many cases, ladder access to the roof. Most also feature side storage compartments, a generator bay, and either a manual or powered retractable awning for shaded lounging. These aren't just campers, they're full-on road homes that provide security, space, and travel capability all in one. The drivetrain layout, power steering, automatic transmission, and beefy brakes all contribute to a surprisingly manageable driving experience. And because the parts were shared with commercial Chevy trucks and vans, replacement and maintenance have remained relatively affordable and accessible even into the modern day. With many of these models now entering classic and collectible status, more and more enthusiasts are restoring them with modern upgrades: solar systems, lithium battery banks, backup cameras, new paint, and smart interior layouts are breathing new life into a piece of automotive Americana. It's not just a vehicle, it's a culture. It's a way of life that represents the spirit of the open road. As we step inside the Chevrolet Motorhome, you're immediately transported to a world that feels less like a van and more like a full-sized mobile home. The first thing that catches your eye is how much vertical and horizontal space is available. Most interiors feature a walkable ceiling height of over 6 feet, giving tall travelers a comfortable, non-cramped atmosphere. The floor plans differ depending on the coach builder, but common to nearly all Chevrolet-based motorhomes is a spacious lounge area directly behind the cockpit. Swivel captain chairs often complement the sofa bench, allowing multiple seating arrangements. You'll also find ample window coverage here, perfect for bright, natural light during the day and relaxing views of the stars at night. The color palette leans into cozy, retro vibes with warm wood cabinetry, neutral upholstery, and soft fabrics, making it feel like a cabin on wheels. Wall paneling, often wood grain or lightly textured fabric, gives the entire space an insulated, home-like feel. Storage is abundant, with overhead cabinets, full closets, drawers under seating areas, and hidden compartments designed to maximize every cubic inch. A key aspect of the Chevrolet Motorhome interior is its modularity. Beds convert into seating, tables fold out from the walls or counters. Heading into the bedroom area, you'll find that the Chevrolet Motorhome doesn't compromise when it comes to rest and privacy. Depending on the floor plan, the bed may be located at the rear of the coach or integrated as a slide-out. The primary bed is often a full or queen-size setup, raised slightly to allow for underbed storage. Most motorhomes offer additional sleeping areas such as a pull-out couch, a fold-down dinette bed, or even overhead bunk beds. The mattress quality varies depending on the model, but many owners upgrade to memory foam for greater comfort. The room is designed to offer a full night's sleep with blackout curtains, reading lights, and airflow options like ceiling fans or openable side windows. The closets nearby are tall enough to hang garments, and many include built-in drawers for socks, shirts, and personal items. Some bedrooms are equipped with side tables, USB ports, 12-volt outlets, and TV mounts. The level of privacy is notable, with sliding doors or curtains that separate the sleeping area from the kitchen and living room. The bedroom, while modest in size, offers the kind of restfulness and seclusion you'd expect from a hotel room, only it's parked anywhere you like, be it the mountains, a lake, or a quiet desert trail. Moving into the kitchen area, the Chevrolet Motorhome continues to impress with its practical design and functional layout. The kitchen is typically located at the center of the rig, separating the living space from the sleeping quarters. Despite the compact footprint, the kitchen area feels remarkably intuitive. Standard configurations feature a propane-powered oven and stove, often with 3 or 4 burners and a glass or metal top that doubles as prep space. Above that sits a range hood with built-in fan and lighting, as well as cabinet space for spices, dry goods, and cookware. The refrigerator in most models is a dual power unit, running on both propane and electric power, ensuring food stays fresh whether you're on the grid or boondocking in the wild. Freezers are included in many of these fridges, allowing storage for meats and frozen meals. Counter space is decent and usually comes with a pull-out or flip-up extension to add more prep area. The sink is typically a stainless steel or porcelain double basin with hot and cold running water, supplied by an onboard water pump or city water hookup. A sink storage and drawers offer room for cleaning supplies and utensils. Some kitchens also include a microwave oven or toaster built into the cabinetry. What makes the kitchen stand out is how easy it is to actually cook a full meal inside. Ventilation is thoughtfully placed with windows that slide open and roof vents that push steam and smells outside. The combination of storage, utility, and natural light creates a pleasant and inspiring space to prepare meals no matter where you're parked. The bathroom in the Chevrolet Motorhome is compact, yet incredibly functional. Depending on the model, you'll either find a wet bather where the shower, sink, and toilet share one waterproof space area, or a dry bath where each element is separated. The toilet is typically a gravity flush model, connected to a black water holding tank. The sink is small but serviceable, often mounted in a vanity with a mirror and overhead lighting. Storage is present in the form of medicine cabinets and shelves for toiletries. The shower has enough height clearance for adults, and the water heater, powered by propane or electric, supplies hot water on demand. The fan above the bathroom helps control humidity, and many setups include a skylight for natural illumination. Some upgraded models even come with towel warmers, wall-mounted dispensers, and high-pressure shower heads. The flooring is non-slip, water-resistant vinyl or tile, designed for easy cleaning and longevity. It's not just a place to clean up, it's a practical and comfortable part of daily life on the road, ensuring that even while traveling through remote terrain, you can maintain hygiene and routine effortlessly. Wrapping up this in-depth review of the Chevrolet Motorhome, one thing becomes crystal clear: this is more than just an old RV. It's a rolling legacy of American engineering, built with strength, character, and a sense of independence that modern vehicles sometimes lack. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple looking to explore the country, or a family interested in van life with a vintage twist, the Chevy Motorhome offers a compelling combination of comfort, reliability, and charm. It's not the fastest, flashiest, or most high-tech rig out there, but it doesn't need to be. It was built during a time when things were made to last, and today, with a little care and creativity, these rigs can be updated, modernized, and personalized for modern life. From the stout V8 under the hood to the warm living room ambience, the Chevrolet Motorhome stands tall as a symbol of freedom and adventure. So whether you're thinking about restoring one or just dreaming of life on the open road, remember, the journey doesn't begin when you reach your destination. It begins the moment you step inside your motorhome, turn the key, and point the nose toward the horizon.